What's the word, YouTube? Back with another video, man. Today we're doing another POV drive on my way back to school once again. I should be dropping a video today. This is Monday as I'm recording this, so we had a meet, or it was like a huge cruise this past weekend, so that video should be dropping today. I'm trying to hurry up and get back so I can finish editing it real quick, get that up to y'all on time. So hopefully y'all been doing good. The last video that I uploaded, my boy got a new Beamer that did extremely well, and I appreciate all the new viewers, man. I appreciate it a lot. Y'all went crazy on that video. I definitely did not expect that, but I definitely do appreciate y'all for sure. But yeah, I'm so proud of him. I think he's been looking for a car for a minute, and the fact he finally got him a Beamer, man, because he had been talking to me about getting a BMW. So like the fact that he was actually able to do it, I'm just super happy and super excited for him. So, but yeah, I also just got done filling up the tank, so I got a full tank of gas. I don't know what it is about me, but as soon as I get done filling up the tank, I always seem to want to go fast for some reason, as if I didn't just fill up the tank so I can have enough gas, you know. But yeah, hopefully y'all been doing great. I've been doing fantastic, I'm not gonna lie. Things have been great. Still nothing really going on with the car. It's probably gonna be a little slow with things pertaining to the car, like fixing the car. Just because I can't buy stuff right now. So I'm trying to make it work. I'm trying to like get different forms of content, if that makes sense. Like I've been kind of showing y'all like the background of me going to photo shoots with my boy Colton, and then I've been going to meets as well. I know like recording POVs and y'all seeing the same car and I'm not doing nothing to it, I know that can get repetitive, and I know that can also get kind of boring, like just watching the same stuff. And I know I have been posting a lot of meat stuff as well. I think that's been like the past couple of videos I've made, to be honest. But if I'm being quite honest as well, that's really the only thing that's going on. It's probably gonna be a short POV. I don't wanna bore y'all too much. I'm probably just gonna keep the clips in where I'm talking to you guys. And I might do a couple pulls here, to be honest. I might want to do one right here. Bro, I've been really... Just wait, bro. I've been really wanting to get an exhaust on this car so bad, because this car's so quiet right now. Like I can't hear nothing. Like when I'm doing all this shifting and stuff, I can't hear. All I hear is like the engine bay noise, you know. But I want to be able to hear the car. Be able to hear the car, man, you know. I would show y'all like the list that I have of just things that I want to do with this car, and the fact that I don't have anything going on to be able to do this stuff right now, it's like, man, it's just that itch, man. It's just, I'm seeing I'm finally getting a group of guys, you know, because I've always wanted to have a group of guys where I could just drive with, like car-wise. I have a group of guys already, but I'm just saying, like, the group of guys that I have right now, like, we all got cars, and it's just car-related. We just chill and vibe, you know. It's just, bro, it's great, man. I love it. I've always wanted to have something like this, you know, because I've always been into cars, but it's just I never had people who had the same amount of interest in cars that I have, you know. So it's been great. I'm definitely gonna get us some more content together, like as a trio, because man, that, like I said, that video did super well. That video did super well. Actually, it's the top viewed video on my channel now. It's crazy. But yeah, we're definitely gonna try to get some more stuff rolling next weekend. As far as like the car is related and like photo shoot stuff. I've really been trying to get rollers in this car, so I think that's really what we're gonna focus on, is getting rollers. So when that does happen, I'm definitely gonna try to record a little bit of it, not too much, because I'm mainly gonna be the one driving, you know. So I might do like some POV shots while they're doing the rollers. I think that might be kind of cool. I don't know. We'll see though, man. I'm really trying to find like different ways for me to get content out for y'all, but I don't want to just shove videos out to y'all. I want to actually give y'all good quality content that y'all can watch, you know. Like, I know whenever you're doing YouTube, they preach all the time about being consistent, you know, but I'm all about being consistent with quality, you know. Like, I would rather miss an upload to give y'all a I would rather miss an upload to give y'all a quality video than to upload some BS that y'all would not watch, you know? So, yeah, man. I'm probably gonna end this video off here, to be honest. In a second at least, because I don't want this video to be too long. I know the POVs can get kind of long in its own sense. And I'm probably gonna keep this video pretty raw and uncut. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the update for the car. The car's still running great. No issues still. I'm just enjoying it. It's like the perfect daily driver for me, to be honest. No mechanical issues. I mean, the only thing that's coming up for this car is I'm definitely gonna have to do an oil change again within the next couple of weeks here, because I have been driving it a lot. I've been ripping and running up and down the highway a lot. At least on the weekends, I do a lot of ripping and running, so it's probably time within at least the next month to do an oil change. It's not burning oil. The oil color still looks pretty good, so but yeah, I'm definitely gonna be getting ready for that at least before the hard winter hits. Because if you're from St. Louis, it just gets cold here and we get ice. We haven't gotten much snow the past couple years, so I'm probably gonna end this video off here. Appreciate all of you guys for watching though. I appreciate all the new subs too. It's been going crazy. That last video, I mean, y'all just went crazy, went nuts. That was crazy. I just got that all on video. I don't know whose car just did that, but that's crazy. That's a safety hazard right there. But yeah, I'm glad I was able to swerve out of the way. I appreciate y'all so much for watching though, man. Make sure y'all do like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on post notifications so you know when I do upload a new video. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.